Hello everyone and welcome to Janice Creative Flowers. In this video we are going to learn how to tie or how to make a bow from satin ribbon. So we are going to learn how to make this. So first we will see the materials required. We need 1 inch width, 1 inch satin ribbon. 1 inch means the width, this width is 1 inch and the length is up to you how much bigger bow you want to make. And then 1/4 inch satin ribbon, a pair of scissors, thread and needle, lighter and glue gun. So let us get started. Take the piece of satin ribbon and first burn these corners, not corners, okay, I am not very good in this. Yeah. Oh. Okay, fine. Then fold it into two to take the center point or the center line. Here it is. And now apply glue little ahead of the center line. If there is more glue, we can take it out. And then yeah, like this. Okay, now take the needle, thread, tie a knot in the end, and this is the inner side, the beneath side, and this is the upper side. So starting from the beneath, yeah, now take this. So our bow is ready. You can take a larger width ribbon, and you can, if you take larger width ribbon, then what happens is you can get more frills over here. So this is how we make a bow. This you can use for dresses for small girls, or for the hairband, or for if you make it in black or white, you can use it for men's shirt also. So thank you for watching.